Today I want to share with you how I create this stunning painting portrait oil on canvas. Come with me, let me show you. Work like this using the reference as you see it here in the picture. That is how I start the work. After sketching the work and getting to know the sketch, I work on the face, do all the paintings on the face, then start to detail it, trying to create some shiny effects on the bears. As you can see the reflection on it. If it's your first time coming across this channel or page, do well to subscribe or follow and stay tuned for more arts tips and tutorial. Whether you are a beginner or you are upcoming artist or you're finding some difficulty in creating painting works, well, these little tips can help you elevate your art to the next level. Here I do realistic painting and some of the abstract painting as well. So if you like the drawing, give me a thumbs up, help me share, comment, tell me what you think of it. That can help me improve on my painting. So still on the jar, after treating the bears, making all the detailing, you know. One thing I can tell you about artwork is the patience. Here every stroke or every point counts on the face. So when you're painting, you have to be careful the way you draw, because at this point of time, every stroke counts, or every um, point of colors really counts. You understand? So just keep pushing, never give up on your dream, keep trying, keep painting. You can do better. So just want to thank you for your support for Dasunnex art. I really appreciate your time. If you have anyone that is interested in learning artwork, both painting, charcoal pencil, pastel, abstract painting, hope you enjoyed today's video. See you in my next video. Love.